Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Millie G. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all how I do the lazy girl method. First thing I'm going to do is prep my nails with my o.p.i base, and then I'm going to use my Savvy Lamb Professional nail covers. Now here I'm just sizing out the nails that I'm going to use for my fingers, and then I'm going to take my Polygel, my white Polygel, and I'm going to apply this inside of the nail covers. But first I'm going to apply my base coat to my nails so that the Polygel will be able to stick. Right here I'm adding the Polygel inside of the nail cover, and I didn't know the amount that I needed to put in there, so as I began to spread the Polygel out, I saw that it wasn't enough to cover the entire nail cover, so I did go back and add some more in there so the entire nail cover would be covered with the white Polygel. Right here I am applying the nail cover to my thumb, and I'm trying to position it correctly, and then as you can see in the corner, that's my UV lamp that I purchased off of Amazon, and I'm just going to turn it on and do a flash cure so that I won't have to worry about Polygel spilling out everywhere. Now this was my first time doing it, so I was trying to adjust my finger to the light correctly, but I ended up getting it, and I'm glad that I did make this purchase because it made this process so nice. So after I flash cured, I then put my hand underneath my lamp so that I could cure it on both sides, so on the top and underneath it, so that the Polygel is completely dry. And now I'm just going to proceed to do the rest of my fingers. I'm going to stay quiet. I'm going to let you guys watch the rest of it. So after I finished with this nail, I noticed that the nail cover I used was a tad bit too big because it's kind of hanging onto my skin, but I fixed it by filing it. But also I want to point out, I'm showing you all how I do my right hand with my non-dominant hand. So let's just be appreciative of this art right here. So now that I've completed both hands, I am going to add this red, and it's o.p.i's Red Vivid City. I'm going to add it underneath my nails so that I could have a color underneath and then a color on top. Now I was a little afraid to get the color too close to my fingers, like my skin, because I knew if I got it on my skin, it would be a mess to get it off with alcohol. I'm just a little OCD like that, sorry. But anyway, I wanted to make my fingers look as if they were like Christian Louboutin shoes. So you know how you have the red bottoms and then you have the other colors, like the nude color and the black color shoes. So I'm going to be painting the top of my fingers a nude color, and then I'm gonna have an accent black color. And I got this idea from Jasmine Destiny. I saw her do it on her channel, and she's the reason why I used a white polygel, because she says she wished that she could have gone back and painted the underneath of her fingernails white. So I was like, let me just use a white polygel. And the color that I'm applying right here is o.p.i Tiramisu for $2, and I found this color at TJ Maxx, $3.99. TJ Maxx will always be the hookup for nail goodies. And then this black color is Jet Black by iGel Beauty. So I'm going to do 2 coats of these. I'm going to dry it, and I'm going to let you guys see what it looks like. The completed look. I am very proud of how these turned out, and the fact that this is my first time ever doing the Lazy Girl method. I do know that there were some things I could have did differently, but trial and error, nothing comes easy. And if you don't succeed, try again. Practice makes you better, and I'm going to be better, okay? But don't forget to add that cuticle oil, okay? Don't forget that step. Rub it in, okay? Rub it in. But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, don't forget to listen to Niece Ava. Until I make another video, I'll see you guys then. Bye.
Click subscribe and turn on notifications to give me a huge thumbs up.